Good morning, children. We are doing the topic the sentence. Today I am going to explain more about it. Children, group of words are of two types. I have told you there are group of words which are not arranged properly, and those group of words which are not arranged properly are not sentence because they do not tell us a proper meaning. So these group of words are of two types. One which you have to arrange and make a sentence. For example, loves ice cream Sam. Here, in these group of words, all the words are here. We just have to take these words and arrange them properly. So we are talking about Sam. So first we will write Sam. Then ice cream loves. No. Sam loves ice cream. So we have arranged in a proper way. Sam loves ice cream. Now this sentence is complete sentence and it is telling us a proper meaning. So we have taken these words, arranged them and written in a proper order and make a complete sentence. Now some group of words are not jumbled. We do not have to arrange them. They are incomplete. We say them in complete sentence. For example, fan slow. Now, by these two words, we cannot understand what is the meaning of these two words here, or what is the meaning of this incomplete sentence. Fan slow. No, we don't understand what is the meaning of it. So we have added few more words to make it a complete sentence. I have added the and is. The fan is slow. The fan is slow. So I have added more words and made a complete sentence. We can do practice more with these two sentences. Now see here, jumble words or group of words. Bug, I see, mug, in the. Bug, I see, mug, in the. Now, how to make a complete sentence? To make a complete sentence, we will write, I see a bug in the mug. I see a bug in the mug. First, I have taken I see, then a bug in the mug. I see a bug in the mug. So, made it a complete sentence. But the words we have taken from these group of words only. We have not added any word in that. Okay, same words we have taken, but we have arranged them properly. Now here, jumble words or group of words are cold, hot tea, ice is but. Cold, hot tea, ice is but. So to make it proper, tea is hot, but ice is cold. Tea is hot, but ice is cold. In this way, children, there are, I will tell you, incomplete sentences. These were jumbled letters or group of words, but these are incomplete sentences. They have only one or two words or very few words, like brush teeth. Now this is not complete. To make it complete, I have added brush your teeth. So this your word is added and then it became a complete sentence. Sunny day. Now sunny day is also looking incomplete. It is not telling proper meaning to us. To make a complete sentence, I have added, it is a sunny day. It is a, these three I have added to make a complete sentence. Instead of only sunny day, if you will say sunny day, so I will say what sunny day? What do you want to say sunny day? So if you want to say the proper sentence, you have to say it is a sunny day. Understood? So these are incomplete sentence and we have added words to make complete sentence and there are some group of words which we arrange them in a proper order to make a complete sentence. So there are two types of group of words. Okay, children. So let's do some more practice with this. Here what we have to do? Here we have to put a tick mark for the complete sentence and cross for the group of words or incomplete sentence. Okay, we will read the sentence. If the sentence is complete and meaningful, we will put a tick mark. And if the sentence is not complete, not meaningful, it is just a group of words or it is incomplete sentence, then we will put a cross. Okay, let's read. Red like eye roses. Red like eye roses. It is only a group of words, not a sentence. I like red roses, correct. It is a sentence. Priya girl, incomplete. Priya is a little girl, yes, correct. Plate the egg is in the. Plate the egg is in the. No, it is not telling us proper meaning. It is not meaningful. The egg is in the plate. Yes, it is meaningful and I have put a tick mark. Train late. Incomplete. Train late. What train late? What do you want to say? Train late. So this is incomplete. The train is late. Yes, it is complete and it is a sentence. Me water for bring. Incomplete. I must say it is not a meaningful sentence. Bring water for me. This bring has come here. Water has come here. For is at its place and me is written at the end. Bring water for me. This is complete sentence. Today the sky. Today the sky. What today the sky? What do you want to say? Today the sky. It is incomplete. Today the sky is clear. Yes, this is complete. So children, there are some group of words which we have to arrange. There are some incomplete sentences. We have to add more words to make them complete and sensible sentences. Okay children, this practice work we have done little bit. Now I will give you more exercises related to this in your copy. So do the copy work. Bye bye.